Good afternoon and welcome to Pontoon Boat Solutions. You know, we made this solution for our own benefit to start with. I got tired of always taking water out of my canvas every day because I couldn't keep it tight. I tried all kinds of crazy things and I said to my wife, I said, I'm going to make something that's going to work. So hence we made what we call the Arch Maker. Very simple, very easy to use. The nice part about it all, there's no screws, there's no bolts, there's no glue. You simply put it on your rail, like so. Now, you have your PVC. Now, as you can see, we use our pontoon boat solution, and it actually conformed the PVC to the arch. So, hence, we start with one piece, we put it on like so. The 5-way was already on there, but this is the leg. You put the 5-way on like so. Now you take your next piece of PVC and put it on like this. Take your other arch maker, put it on like so, attach it to your rail. That's how easy it is, okay? Now, you're going to take another piece of PVC and you're going to add it on. And you would put your next arch in place. You see, this actually forms a very sturdy situation. Once you put your canvas on it, it's not going anywhere. And basically, how we've designed this with the 5-ways and a 4-way, you build it to meet your needs, your pontoon boat. It's a no-brainer, and it works. It will keep your pontoon canvas tight, just like in this picture. Then, when it's time to take it off, good God, you can get your kids to do it, or the grandkids. Because this is what you're going to do. You take it off like so, take this piece off, take this piece off, put them down, take this piece off, put it down, lift it off the rail, pull off your 5-way and your arch maker, and guess what? It's ready for storage. How much easier can you get? We look forward to your comments. We look forward to answering any of your questions. Because will it hold up the snow? I think so. But guess what? If you're worried, make your arches closer together. We look forward to seeing you next time. Thank you for joining us with Pontoon Boat Solutions. www.pontoonboatsolutions.com. God bless. Thank you for watching.